How to subscribe to Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can subscribe to Snapchat Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to subscribe to Snapchat Premium, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up Snapchat and just ensure that you are signed into the account. Then tap on your Bitmoji avatar from the top left of the screen, and right on this page you'll find this little option that says Snapchat Plus, which says exclusive, experimental and pre-release featured. So you can tap on this little option here, and here you'll see all the benefits of having Snapchat Plus, which is custom icon, chat wallpapers, custom themes, story, and all of the other benefits that you could see, where you can tap on the next option, and all you have to do is enter up your payment details, and then you'll be able to subscribe to Snapchat. This way you should be able to subscribe to Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.